I will make yet another recipe which is Morolla fish from the pond, and this is so amazing, so flavorful, and so nutritious. So before we start, please like, share, subscribe. Jayasree Kadai Katha English. We have got only 2 subscribers. I have taken 200 gram of Morolla fish from the pond, and I'll do the cutting of the fish by removing the head and inside the intestines also from the fish, and we'll keep in a this container so that when we are washing, we'll rub the fish and all the scales whatever is there on top it will go. I've taken parwal, I've taken onion and tomato, and we'll scrap the parwal from the peeler and cut this parwal into half, then into small bhaja kind of cutting for the aloo bhaja. Very, very, very matignant kind of cut. And the onion also will do the cutting in a julienne, and tomato will deseed the tomato and cut it into rough julienne, and the cutting is done. Now I do the cutting of green chili also, slitting it into two. I have taken a bowl, add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and put the parwal cut into matignant, and put the onion, julienne, and tomato and green chili also, and put red chili paste, ginger paste, mustard oil little more, and mix it with a spoon so that the marination what we have put will go to every look on corner of the this dish of marination. I have taken kalonji for tempering in a non-stick fry pan, and put this marinated fish and vegetable mix and spread it across the non-stick fry pan. Water from the bowl and spread it. Now I'll put a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Once done, we will just stir it so that it moves out from the pan base, and again spread it, and again close it for another 5 minutes, and see how beautifully it is looking. My this channel has got only 2 subscribers. I request you to please subscribe and make it 100 by today. Thank you. And I am giving the presentation in a serving bowl. It looks so amazing, so tasty, and it's good for the brain, eyes, and heart. You can see how beautiful the dish is looking. I'll be eating this Morolla fish from the pond, and bitter gourd and dal and a lemon wedge in the afternoon session. Now I'll show you how beautiful after mixing it looks. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.